Today, I want to share two formulas that you can use to determine the price of share in your group so that you can use it to collect money that you can pull together as a group member to invest and realize some profit or growth in your income. Now, number one, if you have a target in your group that you want to invest, let's assume your group has a membership of 10 and your target is something like 50,000 in a year, and you want to know how much a member can easily contribute monthly. What you need to do is to divide that capital of 50,000, you divide by the number of members, then you divide with the number of months in a year, and then if you divide with 50,000 divided by 10 divided by 12, you will get something like 416.67 shillings, and that much can now be the value of one share that a member can contribute every month